What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Just another quick episode again for you as well today, guys. If you're new to the channel, please do check out my other videos. We're a discussion channel, guys, and do get involved. Smash the subscribe button. Even better, if you want to hit the like button. Magical things might fucking happen. I doubt it, but you never know. Do comment below as well, guys. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, yeah, do hit me up there. If you want to send me on any stories or videos you want me to check out, I will give you a shout out on a video of your Instagram page as well. That'd be pretty sick. And yeah, we're just going to be covering two channels today, guys. As I said in my previous videos, I am just caught for time every day for the whole week, so I'm just going to make these quick videos for you, just whoever I've watched and just said I thought it'd be cool. So we're just going to be covering quickly Stradman, and we're just going to cover probably Matt Armstrong as well. So Stradman has gone away, and I suppose, you know, just went away and bought a Rzr and fucked it up pretty much. Yeah, he went off and bought a Polaris Rzr, and he was going off down doing trails, you know, messing around with it. And Clayton, you know, from someone I've told him, he goes, "You're going to roll it the way you're going around, you know, where you're driving, whatever." And yeah, he has absolutely, well, I suppose, yeah, he's pretty fucked up the side of the Rzr. If you haven't seen the crash already, or I wouldn't even call it a crash, a flip, here you go.
Dude, are you alright? Are you alright?
I'm good.
Bro, are you kidding me?
No. We may have had a slight mishap.
Big deal. It's like she's brand new. Initial inspection, we have some battle wounds right here. The roll bar took the brunt of it. Yeah, that's not gonna buff out. Well, I think she's for sale. Never crashed, never rolled.
And there you have it, guys. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. I mean, it's great to be able to afford to spend $40,000 and just wreck it after 17 miles, you know, just for content. Like, it's crazy. I mean, I get, I get it's content. I do get it, but you know, there's people out there struggling to even, like, I wouldn't even be able to afford a $40,000 car. To mind a 40,000 Rzr and flip it and smash the whole side of it. Lucky enough, look, he came out fine. You know, like, these things are designed to be able to crash and that you're okay. You know, there was nothing really wrong with him. The whole side of the Rzr is all the fiberglass is going to have to be fixed. All that, sure, that's nothing to James. Like, I mean, it's funny in a way, but you know, it is what it is. Let me know what you think of him buying the Rzr. Do you think this was a stupid move by him by doing this? Do you want to see more Rzr content and him driving around? These seem to be the new YouTube fucking car YouTubers loving these things. TJ Hunt has one, Summit Life, now you know, Stradman, who's next, DD, like, I mean, like, Tavarish, like, they seem to be all buying them and not really giving a shit about them and just trashing them. But look, you know, it's his $40,000, he can do what he wants with it. I mean, I don't know what the repair bill is going to be, but I suppose he won't be doing that again in a hurry if it ends up being quite expensive to get it fixed. So yeah, let me know what you think of him crashing, guys, and do you think it was a stupid move or not? And last up, we're just going to cover Matt Armstrong. His latest video was his continuation of the MI40 with the M2 front bumper on it. He's gotten new wheels for it as well, and he's trying to decide what to do with the rear end. Should he put on rear fenders or not? As we know, the fenders on the front are a bit wider than the rear because it's from an M2. And yeah, he's got some decisions to make. He's after putting himself into a tricky fucking pickle with this one, because I was thinking what his options were as well. And I was kind of like, ugh, God, that's a tricky one, because he doesn't want to give it into a body shop for 6 months either. And I wouldn't blame him, you know, to get that to do, and it costs you a lot of money. And it's all about learning. And now he's trying to decide whether he should try and attempt to put on the rear fenders himself or not, and try and figure out, because they totally mismatch the back along with the rear lights as well. It would be an absolute fucking nightmare for him just to do it. I think I read the comments. A lot of people are commenting below saying, look, just leave it the way it is. and just, you know, get front spacers for the front wheels and roll it like that, and go with the rear bumper and side skirts, and just go from there. Me myself, I mean, look, if he feels confident enough he can cut the arches and pull this off, by all means go ahead. But like, if he fucks up in any part of that car is ruined, and he's going to have to go and get it fixed, and that would be a bit of a nightmare. So it's a big decision what to do. It's a very interesting build for what he's come up against so far. I think he might have bit off a bit more than he can chew in this one, but we'll see what happens. It's going to be very interesting to see what route he goes and what ends up happening. If you're watching Matt Armstrong, guys, let me know what you think of the channel below, and what you think is going to happen with this build, or what you want to see him do with his latest video. Should he put on these rear archers or leave it the way it is? I really do like the wheels on it. They really suit it, and yeah, that's going to be a very interesting one as well. So that's it for today, guys. Just the two quick ones I said I'd cover. Again, please do smash that fucking subscribe button, help the channel grow. Do get involved. Even better, like squad, please keep smashing that like button. You've been killing it lately. Everyone of the fist pump, you're just fucking legends for supporting the channel, and I'm glad you're enjoying the content. And yeah, until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.